Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the screen flickering issue test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just yesterday I did receive the software update in this phone, and after that I'm getting plenty of comments on this screen flickering issue. Did it got fixed or not in this OnePlus Nord 2 device? As you can see, this is a OnePlus Nord 2. And this was the update when I received on the 3rd of August. As you can see friends, just yesterday only I did receive this kind of update. Let me try to exactly show you what is the screen flickering, whether it's kind of fixed or not. So let me decrease the brightness. So right now the brightness is kind of 50%. As you can see, the screen flickering only happens when the brightness is really low. So right now I'm trying to decrease the brightness. You'll be able to see the flickering. As you can see now it's happening. So even after the software update as well, you will be still able to see this kind of flickering happening in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So unless they add some kind of option, maybe anti-flickering or DC dimming, something like that, so only then we'll be able to prevent this kind of flickering issue happening in this phone. But in case if you want to temporarily fix for this screen flickering, there is another solution which I did upload. So you can check the playlist. Try to follow the playlist for the OnePlus Nord 2. There is a solution available how to fix the screen flickering. You can see the thumbnail and you can watch that video. So if you do that like that, that's a temporary fix. So before the OnePlus they give an update, so we need some kind of temporary solution. That's how you can actually fix it. But right now still the screen flickering is happening even after the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is what I just thought of explaining to all of the users who are actually planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 2. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.